What's up guys, welcome to Top Fun For You. In today's video I've got a Google Pixel lineup and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on this product. So we have the Pixel Buds Pro, the Google Pixel 7 and the top of the range Pixel 7 Pro. So I'm just gonna go through the quick unboxing on this product and see what's inside the box. But first, let's have a look at the Pixel Buds Pros. We have Google written on the side, and at the bottom there we have the serial number. Okay, let's open it up. In here we have a nice little box inside, very nice. So inside we have a few ear tips. So it comes with two extra, a smaller one and bigger ear tips. And next we have just a quick starter guide and the safety and warranty guide. And that's it. So let's open this up. The case is 63 millimeters tall and 50 millimeters wide, and it's quite thin, so it will fit in your pocket nicely. This comes in 4 different colors. So the one I have here is the charcoal black, and then we have the fog and lemongrass and coral, which is like orangey top. So the only different color will be the actual earbuds itself, but the cases they're all white, and this can be charged wireless using a wireless pad, or it has a USB-C at the bottom to plug it in and charge it. So please note there is no cable in the box, so you either use your existing USB-C cable to charge it, or if you have a wireless pad, you can just put it on and let it charge. According to Google, you can get up to 11 hours of listening time and up to 31 hours with the charging case. Next up, we have the Pixel 7. Okay, when you open the box up, you have the Pixel 7 at the top. Just lift it up. And inside the box, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have a USB-C to a full-size USB adapter. And we have a small starter guide. And then we have here's the SIM ejecting tool and a small book. And here is the phone itself. The Pixel 7 comes with a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus screen with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixel, and it's protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And it does support a screen refresh rate up to 90 Hz. Can only switch between 60 and 90. So on the side we have on this side we have the SIM ejecting tray there, and then when we pop this out, so you only have one physical SIM card, and it doesn't support a micro SD card. You can only use one physical SIM card, and if you want to use a dual SIM option, you have to use the eSIM. So on the top we have a microphone and nothing else, and it has a speaker, stereo speaker. Then on the other side here we have the power button, and then the volume up and down. And at the bottom we have the USB-C charging port, and then the speaker grill. And when you turn the phone at the back, we have this nice one-piece aluminum frame going for the camera. It comes with a dual camera, a 50 megapixel wide camera on there, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide with a dual LED flashlight. Okay, this phone is running the latest Google Tensor G2 processor, and it is running the latest Android 13 as well. And the screen is very responsive and smooth. And finally we have the Pixel 7 Pro. This is the Hazel. When you open the box up, we presented with the phone, same packaging as the Pixel 7. Then it comes with a USB-C to a adapter, and then the starter guide with the SIM ejecting tool on there. This phone comes in 3 different colors. We have the snow white, the obsidian, and the hazel green, which is this one. At the front it comes with a 6.7 inch quad HD plus LTPO OLED, and support a screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and the screen is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus both the front and back. It's a very nice display. When you first switch on the phone, it's set to 60 Hz refresh rate, and the resolution is set to 1080p, but you can just go onto the screen resolution and up it to full resolution. Again, the refresh rate you can only set to 60 and up to 120. You cannot set to 90 or any other refresh rate on there. When you look on the side, we have the SIM tray there. When we pop this out, it only support one physical SIM and an eSIM if you want to use the dual SIM card function as well. And then on the top we have the microphone. Then on the other side it have the power button. We have the power and then the volume up and down. Then when you look at the bottom, we have the stereo speaker and then the USB-C port on there. In terms of the camera, we have a triple camera setup at the back. We have a 50 megapixel f1.9 25mm wide, 48 megapixel f3.5 120mm telephoto camera, and the 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide on there with a dual LED flashlight. As you can see, the screen display is very nice and beautiful to watch videos on there. In terms of the specs, it comes with the latest Google Tensor G2 processor. It does come with 8 or 12 GB RAM and internal storage. You can choose between 128, 256 and 512 GB UFS 3.1. Okay, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.